Alright guys, I'm out here today. This is the job I've got to do. Customer called me out to basically said these don't align, clasp for the lock, and they don't. So they've got it taped up for time being. And I thought it was gonna be some loose bolts or something, and I'm not quite seeing what it is yet. So I've got the ladder. I do see that this side right here has a little bit more, actually a fair bit more gap than that side. So I'm wondering if someone tweaked it. So I'm thinking this may be a good heat and beat job, or I may just put some heat right here and just pull it over a little bit. Not quite sure yet. So it's a good look at everything. You can see it's pretty off. So let me I guess cut the tape off that, and I'll figure out exactly how I want to fix it, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, got some more updates. I'll climb up here. I've just got the door held open up with a strap, and I think I'm gonna heat that corner right there. A little bit of heat, and try to bend this because I'm not seeing any obvious other bends, and you can see right here that this doesn't really align with this, and this doesn't look like an aftermarket gate. This looks like it was built by whoever built it. And then so the other side lines up pretty good, and this side lines up pretty good. So let me put that over here. When I pull it and pull it flat with the clasp, it lines up much better. So, and when I do that, you can kind of see that backside move a little bit. So I'm just gonna, I brought the torch and the generator and the whole welding trailer. Like I said, I didn't really know exactly what I was getting into today, so I kind of brought everything. But I'm gonna try heating this corner, which is a little spooky because there's a bunch of propane shit over here. But anyways, I'm gonna try heating this a little bit, seeing if I can bend it over, and we'll go from there. See if that does it. And if that does it, it may be just a quick 30-minute job and then another 2-hour drive back home, and wham bam thank you ma'am. Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, torch is down there. Been doing a little torch work. So I've had to heat it in like 4 different spots, but that's okay. I think I got it back to where it needs to be. Heated in that corner first, tried pulling on it, wasn't quite enough. So I got a strap and ran it from the truck over, hooked to one of the latches and pulled it that way. That let me leave constant tension on it, because this is all like 1/2 inch, well probably 3/8 actually, 3/8 or 5/16 steel, 2 inch, 3 inch wide. So it takes quite a bit. So I heated that one, didn't quite get the results, it moved a little bit. I heated that one, and then finally I heated this one right before the hinges, and that got me where I wanted. You can see the holes, they're a little bit cantered the other way now, so I'll have to push them back just a little bit. But right here it's got good gap, right there's got good gap, which is why I went for the bend method instead of just cutting the tab off and rewelding it on. So let me push it back. I'll wire brush it off real fast, hit it with some paint, and we should be done with this project. Excuse me, we should be done with this project here pretty soon. Good old heat and beat. Hey guys, this is probably the last video. I got this touched up pretty good. Got white paint sprayed on it. I didn't have anything matched exactly, but it's better than no paint. I'll show you guys it functioning. Yeah, there both the holes line up real nice. Pretty nice. Okay. Opens back up, so I think we're good to go. I'm gonna find some tape or something. Actually, I got some cable ties. I'll put some cable ties on that, hold it up, and then when they come back, they can put their padlock on it or whatever they're gonna lock it with. So that was a pretty simple little job. Took longer to drive up here and back than knock it out. It's kind of glad I didn't have to do any welding on it, but I was prepared to. But like I said, cutting it loose when I really done anything just made things more pain in the ass. Heating it and bending it was kind of what it needed. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Stay greasy.